Hi guys, it's Kat and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I have another limited edition glossy box, and as you can tell it's the Easter limited edition box. I'm sorry if I look rough or I sound rough. It's like 9 o'clock at night now that I'm filming this video, and I've had all this makeup on all day. I've had a really busy day and I am knackered, but I really wanted to unbox it and show you what the products are inside. I love the design for the Easter box. It's just so pretty. It's obviously an Easter egg with a bow on top that says GLOSSYBOX on. So it is like the standard monthly box with the nice pink and then the black logo. So it's really, really pretty. I do like it. So this released on the 9th of April and it was £25 for subscribers, and that released at 1 PM I think it was. And apparently it sold out in 19 minutes, which meant some subscribers couldn't get it, and it also meant that non-subscribers couldn't get it when it released for them at 7 PM. Obviously they've made a low amount of boxes for subscribers and non-subscribers, and I do understand that it's a limited edition box, but I think they should make more of the boxes just because more people will want them. So like I said, I am a subscriber, so it was £25 for me. For a non-subscriber it would have been £30 if you're able to get it, that was. So it did come with a leaflet and it just say GLOSSYBOX limited edition Easter egg. Such a pretty picture. And it just says down here, Happy Easter, you've just received a GLOSSYBOX first ever limited edition Easter egg filled with 9 must-have makeup, skincare and hair care products. This sleek, iconic pink egg features some of our glossies, favourite brands including Benefit and PIXI. Who needs chocolate when you can enjoy the perfect beauty egg? And then it just has all about the products in the booklet. So I'm just going to pop this to the side until I need it. Now let's crack this Easter egg open. You're going to have the first glance. This is what inside the egg looks like. It is just filled with some really, really good products. I can't wait. So you can just see that it's all filled up. So I'm just going to pop it to the side. And then I'm just going to pick out the first product. So the first product I see is the ST.TROPEZ Self Tan Purity. And this says it's a natural looking glow in 3 hours. Bronzing water gel, and it's a 24ml bottle. I think we had one of these. I can't remember which box it was in. I think it was like the All I Want box around December time, but we got a much bigger bottle of this one, and I couldn't actually wait to see what it was like in the summertime, so I was actually going to use it. Yeah, it's definitely the same one because it had a really nice smell, and it's like a tropical smell, not like, you know, the harsh fake tan smell. So I'm just going to find it in the booklet and read what it says. So the latest addition to the ST.TROPEZ Purity range, this clear tanning gel will give you a natural golden glow in just 3 hours. Its unique gel to water texture absorbs into the skin instantly for up to 72 hours hydration. With no rinse, no transfer, no stickiness, and their award-winning tropical scent, you can simply apply and glow. So the 24ml bottle is just £4. That's incredible. And then the full size of 200ml is £33, and you can get this at like Boots, or I bet there's a website for ST.TROPEZ that you can get it at as well. I can't wait to use these products. Like I said, I've got a bigger bottle, and hopefully I'll be glowing in the summer. Okay, so the next product is from ILLAMASQUA, and it says Iconic Chromes Pigment Paint, and this is in Passionate, and it's a 5-gram tub. Let's have a look at the colour. Ooh, that is stunning. Oh my god, I love that colour. That is just so pretty. Again, it's in the colour Passionate, and I'm guessing it's an eyeshadow. So let's just do a swatch. Oh, that is so creamy. Wow. And there's the swatch. It was so creamy. Oh my god. That is just beautiful. So I'm just going to read more about this product, and it's Iconic Chrome in Passionate, boosting a creamy and highly pigmented formula. This metallic eyeshadow glides on effortlessly. Delicately sweep this iridescent colour across your lids to create a subtle look, or layer it to build a dramatic, multi-dimensional effect. The colour payoff is amazing. and this is a full size for £22. The next product is probably one of my favourite mascaras at the moment, and it's the Benefit BADGal Bang Mascara. I've actually just run out of the full size, so I'm really happy with the miniature size, just to keep me kind of like going until I am able to purchase another full size mascara. It's just amazing. I absolutely love it. My lashes just look insane after I use it. And this is a 4.0 gram little mascara tube. And it just says this jet black mascara is a favourite among our glossy subscribers, and it's no surprise why. Formulated with lightweight aero particles that create intense volume, as well as a pro-vitamin B5 that naturally thickens your lashes. This volumizing mascara will give you a dramatic, out-of-this-world eye look. It really does. If you haven't tried it, give it a go because it is amazing. So this is a travel size for £11, not bad. A full size is £22. So the next product is by, I think the brand is CINK, is that what it is? I've never heard of this brand before. CINK Exceptional Eyelashes. They do look pretty though. Very wispy. It doesn't have anything else on the packaging except from the website, and it's www.thinkkink.com. So these are the bare necessity 3D strip eyelashes, brought to you by our very own professional makeup artist CINK. These extra fluffy and multi-layered lashes are a bare necessity for your makeup bag. Made from 3D silk, they create a subtle yet glamorous look and enhance the natural beauty of your eyes. And the price for these is £10. So the next product is a hair product, and this is Living Proof. It's a Prime Style Extender, 30ml tube, and it just says Prime extends styles up to 2 times longer. Plus it keeps hair cleaner by repelling dirt and oil. Save time and forget the touch-ups. Says apply to damp hair from roots to end, comb through, style as usual, use alone or under other styles. Okay, so it's Style Lab Prime Style Extender. This lightweight hair primer creates the perfect base for any hairstyle. It not only repels dirt and oil, but it also makes your hairdo last twice as long. Simply comb it through your damp locks from root to tip before blow drying. This is a deluxe size and it's worth £5. A full size of 148ml is £21. So it is a really good size to see if you like this product or not to get the full size. So the next product is by PIXI, and it's the Glow Tonic. I love this product. I'm literally just running out, or I have run out, of my full size. I've only literally got a little bit left. So this is 100ml and the full size is £2.50. So this will be in use until I have time to order another full size one. And I love this product. It just exfoliates my face and it just leaves it nice and smooth. It's really, really good. Gently exfoliates and brightens, revealing healthy glowing skin for all skin types. I just apply it after my makeup's off, so makeup's all off, and then I just do 2 pads and then just run it all over my face, and it just leaves it nice and tingly, nice and clean and smooth. So really, really nice product. So PIXI Glow Tonic, another of our glossies favourite. The exfoliating toner by PIXI will give you a bright and glowing complexion. Glycolic acid gently buffs away dry cells. My aloe vera, ginseng and botanical extracts work together to nourish and hydrate your skin. So this is £10. I'm not actually sure what like the 250ml one is worth. Can't remember the price of it. Yeah, I really love this product, so I'm glad I've got a smaller one. So the next product is another hair care product, and it's by Lee Stafford Choco Locks Gloss Boss. The perfect polish for high shine locks that smells so scrumptiously chocolatey. Hair is almost good enough to eat. Your guilt-free chocolate fix. So apparently it smells like chocolate. And it's 100ml. Let's give it a little spray and see if it actually smells of chocolate. It does actually smell of chocolate, but it smells kind of like, you know, like Too Faced chocolate. You know, the smell in the palettes, it does smell a lot like that. So it says spray from a full arm length onto dry hair. Start with a couple of sprays and gradually layer to taste, concentrating on the mid-lengths and ends. For finer hair, spray up into the air and swish the length of hair into the falling spray, letting the gloss boss settle subtly, avoiding the roots. Each spritz of this high shine treat takes you to a naughty chocolate paradise. So it just says this absolutely boss of gloss, no style is complete without this luxurious glossing mist. With a heavenly chocolate fragrance, this lightweight glosser can be spritzed over your styled locks to give them an intense shot of shine and an iridescent finish. This is a full size for £6.99. So the next product is a skincare product by Pathology, and this is the Soothe 5 Minutes Flash Mask. And it just says, treat your skin to the loving care it deserves. Our innovative sheet mimics the aloe vera plant to calm and soothe troubled skin. Created with the best ingredients from Mother Nature's medicine cabinet, this mask is your 5-minute remedy. So it just says, boosting with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, this innovative mask calms and repairs irritated skin. It combines aloe vera and cottonseed extracts to fight against free radical damage, while also soothing and moisturising your complexion for a plump, youthful glow. And this is a full size, and this is £8. This mask is £8 on its own. So the last product is another Saint.TROPEZ product, and it's the Velvet Luxe Tan Applicator Mitt. So it's basically a mitt to go with the self tan. Achieve a flawless golden tan with help from our Saint.TROPEZ Velvet Luxe Tan Applicating Mitt. Made with a sumptuous velvety texture, this matte glides effortlessly over skin for the ultimate pampering experience while you tan. The highly flexible design easily reaches all body contours, whilst the deluxe velvety texture provides superior coverage and blending to ensure a seamless streak-free finish. Designed to work with all types of formulation and with an effective liquid-proof barrier, it ensures stain-free hands in every application. So it just says in the booklet, the perfect accessory to your bronzing water gel. Simply pump your bronzing gel onto the mitt, then apply to the skin in circular motions to evenly distribute the tan. Now this is £5. That's a really good price for a tanning mitt, and it's also from Saint.TROPEZ as well. I can't wait to use it. So that was all the products in this limited edition Easter egg box type of thing. I'm definitely going to be using all of these products, like the self tan, the mascara, the hair care spray. I'm definitely going to be trying out. It smells like chocolate, it's going to be amazing. The eyelashes, I don't really use eyelashes a lot, but I will keep them in my collection. Like one night I'll just wear some eyelashes. I'm in love with this ILLAMASQUA eyeshadow. Oh my god, I can't wait to use it. Obviously the PIXI Glow Tonic I use all the time, so I'm definitely using that. The sheet mask will be added to my other ones, and then obviously the self-tanning mitt as well will go with my self-tanning. So I'm really pleased with this limited edition box. I think they said the worth is like over £80, so I paid £25 and the total is worth over £80, so that's a really good buy. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. Instagram is somewhere down here, and it's also linked in my description box, so you guys go and check that out. So thanks for watching. Until next time, bye guys.